Hello Hedera Hashgraph holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. In this video, I'm talking about the Hedera Hashgraph Danger Move coming, my friends. You also know about the danger move of Hedera Hashgraph because now this time the changes occurring in the Hedera Hashgraph is negative. Completely, the price of Hedera Hashgraph is going down, my friends. Every hour, minute, day by day, the price of Hedera Hashgraph is going down. So that's a big crash of Hedera Hashgraph. How you can save yourself from loss in this video, I'm going to show you. Keep on this video complete for more and better understanding. And if you are new to my channel, so please I request everyone to subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos, my friends. Now this time the price of Hedera Hashgraph is 0.190444 USD dollar. That is the currently latest price of the Hedera Hashgraph. Furthermore, you can see if we talk about the price changes occurring in the Hedera Hashgraph. So now the last 1 hour changes is negative, last 1 day changes is negative completely, my friends. The price of Hedera Hashgraph falls down from the previous 1 day, my friends. From the yesterday, the Hedera Hashgraph price is going down, my friends. So absolutely the crash is continuing in Hedera Hashgraph from the yesterday, and now still the pricing is negative. So that's why, my friends, my prediction, my technical analysis, my personal research about Hedera Hashgraph tell us that they will continue this fall, they will continue this crash to the next 1 week, my friends. Possibilities that the price will come tomorrow, but my research tells us that for 1 week, my friends. That's my personal recommendation, my personal technical analysis, my friends. Anyways, how do you feel about Hedera Hashgraph, and what is your opinion, what is your prediction about Hedera Hashgraph? Please also share in the comment box, and please don't forget to subscribe HBAR Tech channel for more news and updates videos, my friends. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe channel.